While its roots are in custom injection molding, today Mack Molding is a vertically integrated product development and manufacturing partner that can help take ideas from inception through prototyping to manufacturing. At Mack, design is part of a total product development solution geared toward reducing cost and time to market through vertically integrated services that have been organized to benefit your business throughout the product lifecycle. The company has a strong presence at MD&M East 2018 with Mack Molding and its low-volume manufacturing operation, Mack Prototype, on display at booth 1709, as well as its engineering arm, Synectic Product Development, taking center stage at booth 2031. In fact, it's just a quick walk from Mack over to Synectic, and vice versa. A perfect illustration of how your journey can begin anywhere within Mack's portfolio of services. So if you're at MD&M East and looking for an experienced partner in the areas of design engineering, research and development, rapid tooling and prototyping, molding, sheet metal fabrication, machining, and turnkey system assembly, look no further than Mack Molding, booth 1709, and Synectic Engineering, booth 2031. We hope to get working for you soon.